Hey everybody, I want to show you this picture or this painting because I'm then going to follow it up with a video, but the video is silent. It was just me wanting to paint one night, but I film it because I number these on Etsy and they go along with the video number, so I wanted to maintain that. This painting's way cool, but it looked way different at the end of the video. It was super neat at the end of the video. And then about an hour later, I look over and, excuse me, it had like all kind of sunk to the middle. So I tilted it out and this is what I got. And it still is really exciting to me. It looks like some kind of explosion. I love it. So that's the backstory. And now you can watch the rest. Bye.